Hi, I'm Grace. I'm from Jianhua Ceramic Factory. Our factory is in Fujian province. Our main product are ceramic and porcelain tiles. We can supply different sizes and designs. This is our wholesale product, 600 by 600 mm rusting porcelain tiles. The material is porcelain color body, high quality with competitive price. The water absorption is below 0.1% and the thickness is 9.5 mm. It's suitable for floor and wall. This is our wooden tiles part. We have complete product specifications like 150 by 800 mm, 150 by 900 mm, 200 by 1000 mm, 200 by 1200 mm. The water absorption we have below 0.1% and 3 to 6%. Is suitable for floor and wall. Our wooden tile have original edge and rectified edge, which can meet different customers' needs. This part is 300 by 600 mm ceramic mold tiles. The water absorption is 3 to 6%. Is suitable for interior and with exterior wall.